Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market imports. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting. This will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of imports, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. Another interesting item imported by Germany in large volume is wood products. You'll be shocked at the volume, the amount this country is spending to import wood products. And by the way, about 12 billion. And we need to ask Germans some important questions. I thought we are interested in climate change. I thought we are interested in climate change. How are you spending 12 billion to import different wood products? This wood will have resulted in the destruction of the forest, of the green vegetation, which is what we are fighting against as far as the issue of climate change is concerned. And this is very important. I think this is a question that the German government really have to answer. Because if we say we are fighting against climate change, how come we are spending 12 billion to import wood items? Sunwood, 15.7%. Sunwood, 15.7%. Wood carpentry, 14.4%. Wood crate, 12.6%. Plywood, 11%. Particle board, all of them are made from wood, 9.27%. Other wood articles, 7.84%. Wood fiber board, 5.11%. Rough wood, 5%. Wood fuel, 3.95%. Shape wood, 3.42%. Vinyl sheet, 2.02%. Wood ornament, 1.9%. Basket work, 1.82%. Wood kitchenware, 1.47%. Wood frames, 0.78%. Wood charcoal, 0.76%. Densify wood, 0.65%. This country is spending 12 billion, a whopping 12 billion to import different kind of wood items. I think we need to reduce the number of wood items being imported unless there are certifications required to show that this thing is not resulting in environmental degradation. That means there is replanting being done based on all these wood import. Else, then it will be like the German on one hand is talking about climate change, on the other hand, they are really not interested in climate change. But I believe they probably are really interested in climate change.